Hi, Wan't Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to connect Alexa to C by GE smart switches. So we've got our Alexa device over here. This is an Echo Show 5, and we're going to connect it to this C by GE switch so that we can do the following. Alexa, turn on small bedroom. Alexa, turn off small bedroom. So you can see that we can control our smart home device, this C by GE smart switch, with Alexa voice commands. So now we're going to show you how to set up and connect C by GE to Alexa. To connect this C by GE smart light switch to Alexa, there's a couple things that you're going to need to do first. One, you're going to need to set up and install the C by GE switch on the C by GE app and make sure that it's connected and properly functioning. So we've already done that. You're also going to need to have your Alexa app installed and set up, and you're going to need to have your Alexa device installed and set up on the Alexa app. So we have done all of those things, and now we can add C by GE to Alexa so that we can control it with voice commands. The first thing that we're going to do is click down here in the lower right hand corner and click on More. Now what we're going to do is click on the Skills and Game tabs right in the middle here, and that's going to pop up with the skills that we want to connect to Alexa. Now that I'm in the Skills and Games tab, I'm going to click on this icon up here that is the magnifying glass, and we're going to search for C by GE. And that pops up right here. So I'm going to click on that. And now we can see the skill for C by GE right here at the top. So I'm going to click on that. Now the C by GE skill shows up here on Alexa, and it gives you a description of the skill and a couple of different Alexa commands that you can use with C by GE. So you can look through this and see what information is here and how it will work. This will also work with the C by GE smart dimmer, and we'll include links to both of these devices below. Now what you're going to do is click Enable to Use, and this is going to connect C by GE to Alexa. Here, all we're going to do is enter our email address and password for the C by GE app that we have already set up and installed with this smart light switch. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then click Sign In. It says your C by GE account has been successfully linked. What to do next? Close this window to discover smart home devices you can control with Alexa. Now, this is really important here. I'm going to click the close button and another screen is going to pop up. Don't click through that screen just yet. You're going to want to make sure that you press the right button here. You want to discover devices here. Do not click cancel. If you click cancel, the devices will not connect to Alexa. So we're going to go ahead and click discover devices, and then this device will show up on Alexa. It'll populate there. So I've called this device small bedroom. So once we have this device connected to Alexa, I'm going to be able to use voice commands to turn on and off this device, the small bedroom light, by using a voice command with Alexa. So I could say, Alexa, turn on small bedroom, or I could say, Alexa, turn off small bedroom, and that will turn on and off this switch once it is connected to Alexa. Now Alexa has found our new switch. So the C by GE switch is connected to Alexa, and Alexa did find it in the app. So now all we're going to do is click set up a device, and it says add your switch to a group. I'm not going to do this at this time, but if you want to group a set of lights together, you could. So maybe you could use a group like basement or first floor or second floor or living room and group a set of switches together. But I'm just going to go ahead and click skip here. Now it says small bedroom is set up and ready to use. So to control it, say Alexa, turn on small bedroom. So I'm just going to go ahead and click done here. And I'm going to unmute the Alexa in the back here and try out one of our voice commands. Alexa, turn on small bedroom. Alexa, turn off small bedroom. Now, another unique thing that you can do besides using voice commands is if you have an Echo device set up with a screen, you can actually control the device from the screen after you've used the voice command. So I can press the switch here and that will turn it on or off by clicking the icon on the device. So it is kind of neat that the Alexa devices with screens like the Echo Show or Echo Show 5 or Echo Show 8, which is what I've got here, will allow you to control the devices from the touchscreen as well and control other smart home devices as well from the screen. So thank you for watching this video on how to connect C by GE smart light switches to Alexa and how you can use Alexa voice commands to control C by GE smart light switches. Overall, in my testing, this has been a reliable switch so far, so I haven't had any issues. It connects right to your Wi-Fi network. And another advantage of this C by GE light switch is that it does not require a neutral wire. I'll have a link to a video that explains more about what a neutral wire is if you don't know what that is, but it is nice to have a smart switch that does not require a neutral wire because it's easier to install and it's compatible with more home wiring systems. Some older homes do not have a neutral wire in the switch box, and for a lot of smart switches, that is required to power them up and get them working. The C by GE smart light switch does not require a neutral wire, which does make it unique in the smart home smart light switch space and easier to install. So thank you again. Please subscribe if you want to support this channel. Give us that thumbs up and click any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.